Okay, people, we're back. We're going to add the links up here in the nav bar. Did you remember how to do it? Did you remember? Where was it? Here's the last thing we're looking at was the views, exercises. Here's a hint. I already have the layouts open. It was in here, application, right? But no, not quite, because this is the one that tells where everything is. But what are we sticking on every page? It's this rendering this header, which is actually over here. See, I tricked you. So it's in this header partial. So what we want to add, another item to our list, right? So we're just going to copy that down, right? This is going to be, what do we want to call it? So this is exercise tracker about show exercises. So get a little word wrap there. We got to figure out what this path is. Home about path is not going to be what we need. Remember, I still think the easiest way to figure out there's somewhere in there you can run a Rails command that shows you the roots. It's just as easy to type in something wrong. And exercises path. Okay, it shows you all your paths. Here's the one we had all before. So instead of home about, it's exercises. Let's see what that does. Save and go back. There it is. Look at that. Show exercises. Okay, so we got their about and our home and our show exercises. Let's add another one that's going to be, let's do the add an exercise. So what's the add? So that's going to be a new exercise path, right? So we're just going to copy this down again. It's going to be an add an exercise. And we said that was new underscore exercises path. And let that go. We'll go back over here and we will hit reload. Let that finish restarting. Unless I did something wrong. What doesn't it like here? New exercise is, I think it was new exercise path, right? You probably caught that before I did. So we'll save that. And then we'll see if this restarts on its own. I think maybe sometimes when it has the error, I have to stop and start. Let's see if it is going or not. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So we've got our home. We got our about. We got our show all our exercises. We got our add our exercise. So look at that. Pretty easy, right? So it's just a matter of remembering where we had this stuff. Okay, that's it for this. I will see you in the next video.